Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix connection refused, no further information, on Minecraft on Windows PC. Method 1. Update Java, Minecraft and System. First, press Windows key then type Configure Java and select Configure Java from results. Now steer to the Update tab then click on the Update Now button. If an update is available, apply the Java update. Next, open Microsoft Store then go to Library. Click Get Updates. If an update is available, apply the update. After that, open Settings. Go to System. Click Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. If an update is available, apply the update. Finally, restart your PC and check if the connection refused issue is resolved. Method 2. Reset the network configurations via command prompt. Press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on command prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh intip reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC and check if the connection refused issue is resolved. Method 3. Power Cycle Router. Go to where your router is located. Then unplug the router's power cable. Next, wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug the power cable back in and start up your router. Once the router has finished booting, launch Minecraft and check if the connection refused issue is resolved. If not working, try with another network, such as neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data, public internet.